Thank you for joining on to our another one of our videos here. We have a master bathroom in a regular type house, not big or not small, but typically we have a nice matte heated floor that's going down. They wanted a nice cozy floor when they wake up in the morning and so on, or throughout the whole day. And also we have a nice shower, which we're going to be putting some nice 24 by 48 inch Caligata tile. It's porcelain, but it does look sharp. It's imitating the marble, but nowadays that's the trend, and it's a beautiful look at the end with the finish. What we have here is also the niche and a little, we're gonna have a little seat there with some nice octagon marble on the floor, shower floor. Okay, we service the GTA Toronto people. If you want our service, we've been doing this for 35 years now. So give us a call at 416-937-8115, and we'll gladly come over and give you a quote, get your job started right and finished right. Okay, so typically we're gonna have here a nice porcelain tile, as you see, on leaning against the wall. It's a 24 by 24. We'll give you some before and after videos and pictures of this project so you can see the progress of our installation and so on. So typically we do dry pack. The contractor wanted to do this way, where he's putting the mesh and a skim coat, and then he puts the mat down. Or typically if it's individual wire or so on, or water heated system with the 1/2 inch white plastic piping, then we bury it with the dry pack. So we have a nice level laser floor, everything is covered and it's ready for installations, and you have a nice strong floor to last many years. Okay, so again, this is what we do the last 35 years. Tile installations, all different types, custom homes, commercial, residential, regular homes, kitchen, bath, basements, and number one problem that everyone has is leveling off the floors. So check out prestigetileinstaller's.ca website, click onto the video link there, and you see plenty of videos on how we install old school type of installations, where you get a nice sheet of glass on the floor, a laser level, nice tight joints, of course, and it's sweet. So what you see in the videos and the pictures is typically what you will be getting in your home. So it helps and educate and listen to the videos. You'll hear me talking and so on. Help you go through the process on picking your tile contractor. Okay, so here we still have to tape and skim the joints. We can either skim everything and put a liquid waterproofing on top for a bonus, for mold or waterproof protection, even on the dry pack here. As you see, we just finished that off. So green board, this gray board is wonderful. You'll never have any issues. We kind of stay away from Durock, but if we have some steam rooms, showers and all that, we'll consider doing either the Durock, or you know what, this is shrink proof too. So it's all fiber board. You could put this all in water and it just doesn't get wet. Okay, again, give us a call at 416-937-8115, and we'll gladly come over and give you a quote and get your project started right. Thank you. Take care. 416-937-8115. Ciao. Take care.